This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 7 Review. How to improve your decisions. Mike, how do you usually make tough decisions in your business? Good question. I try to list all the factors first: cost, timing, impact, everything. I've got a big decision approaching soon, and I'm not sure which direction to take. What's the situation? We might need to cut one of our product lines. It's not performing well, but some of our loyal users love it. Hmm, try this. Imagine it's a year from now. Which is better, keeping it and struggling, or cutting it and focusing on your best products? That's a helpful way to look at it. I've also learned to ask what decision helps the company survive long term, not just feel good right now. That's powerful. Emotion can cloud judgment, but survival has to come first. Exactly. The right decision isn't always easy, but it's the one that keeps you moving forward. Thanks, Mike. That really helps me clear my head. Anytime. You've got this, Takuma. Okay. You've got this. Good job. Thank you.